Well, hello all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I am doing a test of some colors in a cup bottom pour reverse dip flower, which is also known as a Fiona flower. Come on, let's be honest. That's what I'm doing today. So, welcome to my channel. First, I'm putting on my base coat. And I like keeping it in the squeeze bottles because it's just so much easier for me to keep a big amount ready. So let me just spread this out. Okay, pop the air bubbles. You won't see this video till after tomorrow's live, but I do want to tell you that this is going to be the giveaway painting tomorrow. Okay, let me put my white down there. Let me get my cup. Okay, now, the reason this is a special one is because these are Pride colors from the Pride flag, so it is Happy Pride Month. So this is the hot pink. Trying to get it evened out. There we go. Okay. Oh, I will show you my labels. It's a hot pink, but it's really quinacridone rose by Amsterdam. This one is Carmine by Amsterdam, which is a red, and it's a little darker than a regular red in my eyes. Okay. This one is Azo Orange by Amsterdam. Sorry, need to tilt it a little bit so you can see the label better. I am going to do a little bit of the pearl white after all 8 colors. This one is Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam, which is, they're all mixed the same way. My pouring medium is mixed with all USA products that Fiona tested. So my pouring medium is 80% Flood Floetrol and 20% Emulsa Bond. And then all my paints are mixed, 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. And my base coat, which is Artist Loft White, is mixed the same way, but then I add some water to it so it gets a little bit thinner. Oh, this one was Permanent Green Light by Amsterdam. And this one is Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. I think it has been so sweet of Fiona to test out the products I sent her so we can come up with something similar to hers here in the States. Okay, and my next color is Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. And my last color for the flag is Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. Now I'm going to give it a little squirt of the white pearl, which is the Amsterdam Titanium White and the Vallejo Pearl Medium. Sorry, I am stuck on the Vallejo Pearl Medium. I realize everybody's having a hard time finding it. Let me make sure it's going down all the sides. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to do another round of colors, but I'm going to fast forward you through this so you don't have to sit and watch. Okay, all my colors are on. The last thing I do is, of course, I blow out the paint in the middle. And I remove my cup. Now first I'm going to draw the petals in. And I learned from Fiona making these in little heart shapes, which I think is so cute. And if I do it this way, I may not have to drag any color in the middle. I don't know yet. Of course, you want to wipe it off after each pass so you don't cross over the colors. And I kind of want to bring this red, because Fiona says if you start with a pretty center, it'll look pretty when if you have to spin it. Okay, that is about the best I'm going to get on my center. Now, let me get my napkin, and I'll tell you something. I always take my gloves off before the napkin, because you do not want to get the paint on your gloves on your napkin, because 9 times out of 10, if that happens, it's going to get in the white. So let me get my napkin and my spray bottle. And I just lightly mist it to get it wet. You don't want it, or damp, or moist, however you want to put it. I take this centerfold right here and I match it up with the center of the flower. And then very, very carefully lift this up. And I'm getting an air bubble, but I might, see, some of the paint got on the napkin. So maybe there's nothing I can do about that. And then you want to very carefully touch it so you know that it's touching all the colors. I may have to rethink these napkins that I use. Okay, 2 corners. This is always the scary part for all of us. Even Fiona says it's the scary part for her. 4 corners. Now you put your finger in there, you separate these, and you bring in this one, and you bring in the next one, and this one, and then the last one, and then you gather it up a little bit towards the middle, and very, very, very slowly lift it up. And I didn't do such a good job over here. I don't know why that happened. Okay, let me wipe off my fingers and put some gloves on, because, well, let me see what I can, if I can tilt it off a little bit. I still got quite a bit of paint in the center. So, I'm not going to put a, I'm just going to add a little bit of paint where the napkin picked up the white. I'm going to smooth it out with my spatula, if I can find where I put it at. Here we go. Very, very carefully. I'm like a bull in a china shop when it comes to my spatula and this paint, trying to not touch the colors. That's the problem I have. See, I just touched a little bit of it right there. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I am getting some reactions with the white, which I was hoping for. Okay, first let me torch to get rid of any air bubbles. Now, oh, let me move my knife out of here before it gets paint all over it. Now I'm going to give it some baby spins just to try to spread it out just a little bit and hopefully fix that part. Okay. Well, it fixed it by taking all of it to the edge. So, you know what? I'm going to leave it like this. I like the little negative space I got on the corners. I got that part fixed. So now it all looks matching. So let me bring it up for a close-up, and then I will let you guys go. So I want to thank y'all for coming in and watching. Don't forget, Fiona Art, she is the queen of doing this. And I have learned a lot from her. All my paint ratios are down in the bottom in the description. Got cells, but I really didn't get a lot of lacing. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications. No, that's not exactly centered. Sorry, y'all. Yep, stay straight. So don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And please subscribe. It's free and it really helps my channel out a lot. Thumbs up help, and so do comments. So I really, really, really hope that I have showed you something good today. And my subscribe button is going to come up over here. Okay, and check out this video over here, and check out this video down here, or playlist. I'm not sure which one I'm going to have up. So all I can say is I love the fluid arts right out of you guys, and bye for now.